Governor Soludo has called on Igbo to uphold and preserve their culture of farming to feed as a panacea to reducing food prices in the markets. ABS Government House correspondent Echikabana filed the report.
The call at the Dr. Alice Ekweme Square occurred during the official unveiling of the 2024 Iriji Festival, emphasized that the Igbo culture of hard work is the bedrock of the society. The governor called for the preservation and promotion of the cultural values, saying that they are critical to national development, being the essence of Igbo. He described it as the foundation in which values, beliefs, and norms are built, and stressed on the imperative of preserving and promoting the cultural heritage for prosperity. Governor Soludo enjoined the people of Anambra State and Igbo in general to embrace their culture and not forget their roots, as it will help them to weather the challenges that come their way.
Ekwesịrị ime gịnị ịkọ ife ọ bụ na onye ọbụla mee etu a prices ife a na-ele ndị n'afịa ga-eme gịnị ọ ga-ada